Привет. I'm Chuck Olinik, a Ukrainian American. I was baptized with the name Yaroslav. Today is June 15th, 2026. That's year 5, day 112 of the war in Ukraine, or to put it another way, day 1573 since Russia began its all-out assault on Ukraine. Or if we want to go back to when things really started and Russia seized Crimea, it's day 4,498 of the war. And something happened last night. Well, for us, it was last night in the United States. But basically, okay, today, on the 15th, Russia attacked the Kyiv Perchesk Lavra. Lavra is a monastery, and there's like very few of those that have that particular designation, because having the designation of Lavra is a big deal. And it's the most ancient monastery on the territory of contemporary Ukraine. It covers some 58 acres, and there's something like over 500 meters of caves and tunnels that are connected. And there's 2 levels, the upper and the lower, below. And a lot of saints are buried there. A lot of holy relics are there. And it's a UNESCO heritage site. This place has been around since the mid-11th century. Well, as usual, Russia decides to bomb civilian targets and cultural targets. During the same night, they bombed a museum in Kharkiv. There was another site, I believe in Dnipro. There was another cultural center. Well, this is a United Nations cultural center. So I just thought I'd take the time to sort through several hundred pictures that were taken of the attack, kind of pare them down to about 60 and show them to you in video form. Please watch. So this was another attempt by Russia to exterminate Ukrainian culture, artifacts. This is a nation that says it's doing this for holy reasons. So you bomb monasteries, you bomb churches and cathedrals until a Ukrainian victory. Slava Ukraine!